Beautiful and gorgeous Pritika Rao, also known as Alia of Bentha, shares her whole journey till now in the glamour industry.
Oh my God, बहुत ही OMG वाला सवाल है बिकॉज़ बेइंतहा मेरे लिए अब तक का मेरा जो वर्क एक्सपीरियंस है उसमें से टफेस्ट वर्क एक्सपीरियंस रहा है, चाहे वो मॉडलिंग असाइनमेंट्स हो या साउथ की फिल्में हो या अभी जो टेलीविज़न हैज़ बीन द टफेस्ट बिकॉज़ जैसे मैंने ट्विटर पे भी लिखा था 10 months I have done as much work as doing 30 movies in 10 months, you know, because 20 मिनट की हमारी edited footage रहती है from Monday to Friday, और अगर आप if you start calculating it's almost like doing 30 movies. आलिया के बारे में मुझे सब कुछ पसंद है because I don't have to try hard to play आलिया. She is very much like me. और अगर मुझ में और आलिया में कोई बहुत ज़्यादा फ़र्क है it's शायद only the culture. I won't even say religion because I don't believe in religion, I just believe in culture. I think the Muslim culture is very different from the culture that I have grown up understanding. So but we are the same people. I and Alia, we're very spiritually connected, very level-headed and all that, you know. So it's very easy for me to play Alia. Of course, circumstances मेरे और आलिया के बहुत अलग है. I have never been in a relationship. I've never had a boyfriend. You know, I've had a lot of guy friends. A lot of them have proposed to me, and but none of them were really my kind. So it never worked out. But yeah, here she's in in a marriage where she is, you know, this very unsettling kind of a scenario where nothing seems to be working and she's just trying to, you know, mend bridges all the time. So I've never experienced that kind of a life pattern. That's वैसे मुझे काफ़ी independence है. I've been working since my teens and traveled all over the world thanks to my work. And yeah, so I've been very different as compared to Alia. पहले तो मुझे अचानक से after I quit South Films, I was getting a lot of offers from television. And जब मैं फरहान जी से मिली तो the story was very appealing. बहुत हटके थी, you know, एकदम the love chemistry between Alia and Zain was very हटके, very Yashraj types. And it didn't look like the run of the mill television, you know, that Indian scenario जो है अभी टेलीविज़न में. एंड प्राइम टाइम स्लॉट था 9 PM कलर्स. एंड हर्षद अरोरा को मैं मिल चुकी थी. मान जी की तो मैं बहुत बड़ी फ़ैन थी बिकॉज आई हैड ऑलरेडी मेट मान एट एन ऑडिशन एंड देन आई हैड गूगल्ड हिज वर्क एंड आई हैड सीन सम एपिसोड्स ऑफ ना बोले तुम एंड आई वॉज वेरी इम्प्रेस्ड विथ इट. ये जो एंटायर पैकेज डील था ऑफ मान एंड यू नो 9 PM एंड कलर्स एंड स्टोरी एंड एवरीथिंग, that's what interested me. Yeah, definitely struggle करना पड़ा because it doesn't really help कि तुम किसकी relative हो या you know whom you're related to. What at the end matters is your work and your talent, purely your talent. So modeling भी मैंने मतलब I started modeling almost 7-8 years after Amrita had quit modeling. So the scenario had changed, the people had changed, agencies had changed. So I had to start all over again. So yeah, so मैंने अपना modeling career अपने आप start किया था, contacting people and coordinators and all that. And South film में भी वैसे ही हुई, journalism भी वैसे ही हुआ. I was doing journalism and South movies almost together. And I quit South because it was very difficult for me to do, you know, to stay in another city in a hotel for 8 months all alone. My mom didn't have time to accompany me because she was very busy, you know, handling the house. So I had to quit South. And एक ऐसा वक्त आया जब मुझे लगा कि मुझे लैंग्वेज पता नहीं है एंड ना ही मुझे यहाँ पे नंबर 1 बनने का शौक़ है. It's rather I, you know, make myself available to a lot of the people around the nation, because regional cinema बहुत ही limited है, you know. So अगर आप 25 साउथ फिल्में भी करे, पीपल हियर डू नॉट नो यू इन द रेस्ट ऑफ द कंट्री. बट आज थैंक्स टू टेलीविजन, people all over the world know me. Indians, Pakistanis, you know, Sri Lankans, all over the world who follow Hindi cinema and Hindi series know me and my work. TV is very, very, very tough. Extremely tough. I mean, Bollywood and movies are a luxury compared to television. Complete luxury. मैं कहना चाहूँगी कि ये जो प्यार है, I think you're destined for it. You're destined to connect with these people who are somewhere out there, you know, who are capable of liking your work, loving you. And cinema and television is just an opportunity to connect with these people at large. So जब भी मुझे मौका मिलता है, हालांकि मुझे बीच में बिल्कुल ही टाइम नहीं मिलता था to be on Twitter or to be on any other social networking site. Instagram पे मैं नहीं हूँ. I'm not on Instagram. I'm only on Facebook, जो I'm not really active, but Twitter I am. तो जब भी मुझे मौका मिलता है, I try to connect with these people. Like काफ़ी fans आते हैं set पे, and I have made, you know, I've kept the doors open. जो जिसको भी आना है set पे, please आइए. We shoot in Malad. And you can always contact my manager, Megha Ruparel. She's on Twitter. And I think she's Mango Girl, something like that. Megha Ruparel, that's her Twitter handle. You can search for her and you'll find her on my Twitter. So get in touch with me. I'm all out there for you. Oh my God. मुझे in the last 10 months, मुझे सिर्फ 10 दिन छुट्टियाँ मिली है. It's just 10 days. Sorry. Let me correct myself. 20 days in 10 months. That's the kind of holidays that I have got. And उसमें से भी the 5 days were taken off collectively for another trip, for a marriage trip abroad. So yeah, so that's how we live our life. I barely get time for myself. The only time I get probably is while traveling back and forth to the studio, just that 40 minutes. So उसमें भी अगर Twitter scroll किया, I try to reply to as many people as I can. So जब I cannot reach out to a lot of them, I feel bad. So yeah.
Pritika, we wish you all the good wishes for your future projects. Ruchika Singh with cameraman Babaji, India Forums, Mumbai.
Hi, this is Pritika Rao, आपकी आलिया from Beintaha. You're watching me on India Forums, and please subscribe to What's Up TV.